We're going to solve a very easy problem of comparison where A is given as a negative quantity, and then it's asked to calculate and see whether these two quantities are same or greater or lesser than each other. So here we don't need to actually calculate, we can just look into the options. So since A is less than 0, it's always negative. But if you raise the negative to the power a positive number, then the resultant is going to be a positive. So for example, for minus 1 to the power squared is going to be plus 1. So this number, it's always going to be ultimately positive because of the 2 as a power. But on the other hand, here the power is raised to 7, which is an odd number. So if you take a negative quantity and raise it to a power of negative, the answer is going to be negative all the time. So for example, for minus 1 to the power 7, it's going to be minus 1. So no matter what the value of A is, A squared is always going to be positive, and A to the power 7 is always going to be negative. So ultimately, the left hand side quantity is always going to be greater than the right hand side quantity. So for this question, quantity A is always greater than quantity B.